Ever lost your wallet or luggage while traveling? This small device can track it down, even across the world. This is the Apple AirTag, a tiny tracker that helps you find lost items using your iPhone. It's smart, sleek, and super useful. Let's quickly look at its pros and cons to see if it's worth buying. Pros. Ultra-precise location tracking. Uses Apple's Find My network, hundreds of millions of Apple devices, to help you locate your lost item. For iPhone 11 and above, precision finding shows direction and distance to your AirTag using ultra-wideband. Privacy-focused. Encrypted location tracking. Anti-stalking features, alerts iPhone users if an unknown AirTag is moving with them. Great battery life. Replaceable CR2032 battery lasts about a year. You get a low battery notification on your iPhone. Worldwide network. Works globally with no subscription. Even if your lost item is far away, any iPhone user passing near it can help update its location privately. Compact and durable. Small, lightweight, water and dust resistant. Sleek design that fits into wallets, bags, luggage tags, etc. Cons. Limited for Android users. No native support on Android. There is a web-based tracker to find a lost AirTag, but no integration with Android phones. Designed to work best within the Apple ecosystem. No built-in keyring hole. You'll need to buy a separate keychain or holder to attach it to anything, adds to the cost. Short Bluetooth range, direct connection. When not using the Find My network, direct Bluetooth range is limited, 30-100 feet. Precision finding only on newer iPhones. Older models, iPhone 10 or earlier, won't support ultra-wideband-based direction finding. Should you buy? Buy if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Luggage, keys, backpacks, wallets, pets, with collar tag. iPhone users wanting seamless tracking and a clean design. Skip if you're an Android user. You want a tracker that works both ways, like Tile or Chipolo.